Makita has been unstoppable in innovation since the beginning of the year. And today, we're here with some brand new Makita tools that you might not have seen before. So, if you're a Makita fan or a new tool enthusiast, make sure to stay until the end of the video. Alright, let's start off with the first new release from Makita. And technically, it's not a power tool, it's the Makita Impact Premier Bit Set. Now, if you're someone who uses impact drivers regularly, you're going to appreciate this one a lot. These bit sets are made for people who want their tools to last longer, drive with more power, and handle tough jobs without giving up. First off, they're precision fit, which means they grip the screw head really well and reduce the chances of the bit slipping out, or cam out, as it's called. Then there's the torsion zone. That is the flexible part in the middle that absorbs the impact and prevents the tip from snapping, especially under heavy torque. And of course, the bits are made from ultra-durable steel, so they're built to go the distance. Plus, they've even added color coding to the tips, so you can quickly pick out the right one without wasting time. So, if you're all about getting the job done right without wearing out your gear, Makita's new Impact Premier bit sets are definitely worth checking out. Moving on, Makita's got something that'll make your job site a lot more fun. The MR014G Jobsite speaker. This isn't just any regular speaker. It's designed to give you high-quality sound that actually cuts through the noise of a busy work site. What makes it even better is the built-in microphone amplifier, and you can even adjust the mic volume. That's a big plus if you're using it for announcements or quick team chats. On top of that, it comes with an equalizer, so you can tweak the sound mode based on the kind of music you like, whether it's rock, hip-hop, or something more chill. One of the coolest things is the LED light strip on the front. It actually blinks to the beat of the music, which adds a fun little touch. And don't worry about tough job site conditions. It's IP65 rated, so it's dust and shower-proof as long as the battery cover and rubber caps are properly closed. So if you're looking to upgrade the vibe at your workspace, the MR014G is definitely a speaker worth having around. Now, the new GCU07 pruning saw by Makita. This little saw is compact, powerful, and built for jobs like pruning trees and cutting smaller branches. It comes with a 6-inch bar and chain, and the best part is, you don't need any tools to adjust the chain. Just twist and go. That means less hassle and more time cutting. Now don't let its small size fool you. This pruning saw delivers up to 80% more power and can make cuts up to 70% faster than older models. And if you're using it with a 40-volt battery, you can get around 400 cuts in 2-inch cedar on a single charge. This saw also features a soft grip handle, which helps you maintain steady pressure while cutting. Plus, there's a retractable guard to keep the chain safely covered when not in use. Got some pruning to do? And want something powerful, compact, and cordless? Who knows? This new saw might just be the perfect fit. Next up, it's not a tool, but it's something that powers every tool in the XGT lineup. We're talking about the new Makita BL4040F battery, and Makita has taken things up a notch with this next-gen battery. The best thing about the battery is, it's a tubeless cell technology inside. This design removes the bottleneck in power delivery, allowing electricity to flow more smoothly and efficiently. As a result, you get up to 36% more runtime, and it runs up to 32% cooler compared to the previous BL4040 battery. Because of the new internal layout, the battery doesn't heat up as quickly under heavy use. That means you can keep going longer, and even better, you don't have to wait for it to cool down before recharging. Just plug it in, and you're back in action faster. This upgrade isn't just about more power, it's also about smarter energy use, better thermal control, and longer battery life. The BL4040F is built to handle tough jobs while keeping your tools performing at their best, all day long. With the wave coming from the new tools of Makita, we've got something powerful too. The Makita HM004G Cordless Breaker. Now this isn't your average breaker. It's part of Makita's XGT lineup and runs on two 40V max batteries, so you'll get a combined 80-volt max of serious power. And guess what? Even though it's cordless, it delivers performance on par with the heavy-duty corded models. Makita didn't just focus on power, they've made it smarter and more comfortable to use. With the anti-vibration technology, the vibration is kept to a minimum, so your hands and arms don't feel the full brunt of the work. It also features soft start, so the tool eases into action without that sudden jolt. One of the coolest parts here in the breaker is its auto start wireless system. It also comes with twin LED lights with pre-glow and afterglow, so your workspace stays well lit before, during, and after the job. In short, this cordless breaker is a beast, powerful, intelligent, and built to make tough jobs easier and cleaner. Now, we have something for your tough surface prep job, the BS001G Belt Sander. Designed for high-demand sanding tasks, this tool is built around a powerful brushless motor and a 533 by 76 mm belt that eats through material with ease. The standout features we found here is the smart design. The battery sits right above the belt and gives the tool excellent balance to help you apply even pressure while sanding. Whether you're working flat or vertical, it feels stable in hand. Speaking of vertical sanding, Makita thought it through the included dust bag features and anti-drop mechanism, so it stays put even when you're sanding overhead or on a wall. You get 5 variable speed settings via a control dial to match the job at hand, plus AWS compatibility for seamless dust extraction through a connected vacuum. It also includes dual LED job lights, set at a 45-degree angle for clear visibility no matter the position. For flush work, this sander is ready to go right up to the edge. The adjustable front handle tilts back 30 degrees and forward 60 degrees, so you can find the most comfortable grip in any position. Altogether, the BS001G is a cool, new workshop multitasker that's built to perform where others struggle. Next, the Makita PS001G Scribber Polisher. A handy, easy-to-use tool that's been designed to make cleaning easier and more comfortable. You can adjust its length with the telescopic pipe and lever, so it fits your ideal working height. When you need to swap out brushes, the whole process is just simple. All you have to do is press the switches with a bit of pressure, and you're all set. Need to clean close to edges or tile joints? Just remove the splash guard for better reach. It comes with 3 speed settings: low, medium, and high. Meanwhile, you'll get an extension range of 354 millimeters. With constant speed control, anti-restart safety, and an IPX4 water resistance rating, it's built to handle both dry and wet environments without a hitch. Makita PP001G Steel Hole Punch. What really makes this one stand out is that it doesn't need a hydraulic pressure hose, so you're not tied down by extra gear. Just grab it and go. That means better mobility and way more convenience on the job. One of the best things about it is the automatic punch return. Once you punch through steel, the tool resets itself automatically using hydraulic pressure. This feature alone helps cut down your working time by around 46% compared to older 18-volt models, which is a big time saver. It also gives you a 40mm throat depth and a 360-degree rotatable motor, so you can easily adjust it to whatever angle or position works best. All in all, it's a solid pick if you need speed, power, and flexibility in one compact tool. Let's now take a look at the Makita DTD173, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless impact driver that's packed with some really smart features. This tool comes with a redesigned control panel, which is now placed on the side of the tool. That means you can reach it more easily while working. Just above the trigger, there's a quick mode switch button. You can even switch between your current setting and a saved preset mode with just one press, which is really handy if you're doing repetitive tasks. On a full battery charge, this tool can handle up to 400 tasks, including driving long 120mm coarse thread screws. It also delivers a solid 180 Newton-meters of torque, giving you plenty of power for tough fastening jobs. Plus, there's a ring-style LED light built in, and here's a cool touch. It can be used as a torch and stays on for up to an hour. Wrapping up the list with the DUA 200 pole saw. This saw comes with 3 segmented pole sections, giving you the flexibility to extend it up to 2,500 millimeters or shorten it down to 1,600 millimeters, depending on what the job calls for. The saw head is also super versatile. It offers 9 adjustable angles, ranging from 60 degrees upward to 60 degrees downward, and you can lock your chosen angle easily with just one touch. When fully charged, this tool is capable of making around 600 cuts through 50mm cedar timber, which is impressive for its size. You also get the convenience of toolless chain tensioning and bar changes, so adjustments are quick and hassle-free. And for extra peace of mind, it includes an electric brake for added safety during operation. If you think cordless chainsaws can't match the muscle of petrol-powered beasts, the Makita XGT cordless chainsaws are here to prove you wrong. These 40-volt powerhouses are built to deliver the same cutting performance as a 35 cubic centimeter petrol chainsaw, but without the noise, fumes, or pull-start struggles. What makes them even more impressive is how Makita has blended serious power with next-level safety features to make your cutting jobs smoother and safer. For instance, the rear handle now comes with a new lock-off mechanism to prevent accidental starts, while both electric and mechanical brakes ensure the chain stops instantly for maximum control. The variable speed trigger gives you precise command over the chain speed, ramping up to a blistering 25.5 meters per second in just 0.4 seconds, so you're always ready for heavy-duty cuts. Plus, with an anti-restart function built in, there's no risk of the tool accidentally firing up when swapping batteries. It's clear that Makita designed these chainsaws not just for raw cutting power, but also to keep you in complete control from start to finish. Now let's talk about the Makita VS001G vacuum sweeper, a cordless cleaning machine designed to tackle both indoor and outdoor messes with ease. Using either 2 batteries in parallel for extended runtime or just one for lighter jobs, this sweeper delivers impressive cleaning performance wherever you need it. It's equipped with 2 electric rotary main brushes that can handle a wide variety of debris, from fine cement dust and wood chips to larger items like paper waste and plastic bottles. Whether you're cleaning up a construction site, sweeping a warehouse, or tidying up polished indoor floors or carpets, it's built to handle it all. One of its standout features is the dust collection function, which minimizes the amount of dust kicked up into the air, making your work cleaner and more comfortable. On top of its powerful cleaning ability, the VS001G boasts a remarkably lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver and transport across different job sites. It's a perfect solution for professionals who need a portable yet high-performing sweeper that can adapt to various cleaning environments without the hassle of cords or noisy petrol engines. Maintaining a healthy, lush lawn gets a lot easier with the Makita UV001 GXGT Scarifier, a cordless solution that delivers serious performance without the hassle of petrol engines. Designed to run on Makita's powerful 40-volt Max XGT Li-ion battery, either 2 in parallel for extended runtime or just 1 for lighter tasks, this tool is built for essential lawn care jobs like thatching and vertical cutting. Thatching removes the layer of dead grass, clippings, and surface moss that can choke your lawn, while vertical cutting aerates the soil beneath, making it easier for water, air, and nutrients to reach the roots. With a working width of 380mm and a cutting depth of up to 12mm, it efficiently covers a large area, helping you restore your lawn's health in less time. Plus, since it operates with 0 emissions and much lower noise levels compared to petrol models, it's a win not just for the operator's comfort, but also for the environment. The UV001G packs professional-grade power into a cordless, easy-to-use design that simplifies lawn maintenance while keeping things clean and quiet. For woodworkers who want powerful performance without being tied to a cord, the Makita RP001 G1/2 inch cordless router offers an ideal balance of muscle, precision, and freedom. Running on Makita's 40-volt Makita XGT Li-ion battery, this plunge-type router is built to handle demanding tasks while keeping the tool compact and lightweight, making it easier to control, even during detailed work. It's compatible with a half-inch collet chuck, ensuring it can accommodate larger bits for heavier routing jobs. The router features a soft start for smooth, controlled startups, and an anti-restart function to prevent accidental activation after battery changes, which adds an extra layer of safety. You can also adjust the cutting speed precisely with a variable speed dial, allowing you to match the speed to the material and application for better results. A soft brake is included as well, which quickly slows down the bit after releasing the trigger, enhancing both safety and workflow efficiency. Plus, the RP001G supports Makita's Auto Start wireless system, enabling it to connect via Bluetooth to compatible dust extractors, so dust collection becomes effortless and automatic as you work. This router is all about giving you the cordless freedom you need, while delivering pro-level power and smart features that make every job easier and cleaner. If you're on the hunt for work gloves that truly deliver, Makita's new range has you covered with options that blend comfort, protection, and durability like never before. Whether your projects demand heavy-duty strength or you need lightweight gloves for precision tasks, Makita offers a variety tailored to fit exactly what you need. Their lineup includes cut-resistant gloves for extra safety, thermal gloves to keep you warm in colder conditions, and versatile multi-purpose styles that offer flexibility without sacrificing protection. In this video, we'll walk you through the standout features of each glove type so you can pick the perfect pair for your job. It's time to upgrade your work gear with Makita's reliable quality and smart, innovative designs that help you get the job done right and comfortably. To wrap things up, the Makita DCU 601 LXT Wheelbarrow is a powerhouse designed to make heavy lifting and transporting much easier and safer on any job site. Equipped with an electric lift and a hefty load capacity of up to 300 kilograms, it's ready to handle tough tasks without breaking a sweat. With the ability to run on up to 4 batteries, you get extended runtime for long workdays, while 3 forward speeds plus a reverse gear, all controlled by a variable speed trigger, give you full control over your movement. Safety is a top priority too, thanks to electric, electromagnetic, and mechanical brakes working together to ensure reliable stopping power. Added conveniences like headlights, taillights, a warning beeper, and a level gauge help keep your work smooth and secure, and swivel locks on the rear tires lock your direction when you need stability. Altogether, the DCU 601 brings together power, precision, and safety to make transporting heavy loads more efficient and less tiring. Now the DBN 901-Makita's newer 18-volt framer finally steps past the older in power and stability. This one's got the power to shoot up to 90mm nails. The mag holds 41 nails, and it feels much more reliable during fast firing. The contact trip is smoother, less resistance when you're working with gloves. Firing modes are easy to switch without slowing down. You've also got dry fire protection now. Not just a click and no drive. It actually locks out the trigger when empty, which saves wear. Anti-restart gives you a safety bump too when changing batteries. Also, the depth control dial got more responsive than the older models. You don't need to stop and adjust, just roll the dial while you go. Hook mounts can swap left or right. Wasn't a thing on some of the early models. It's just done better than before. And that's usually what matters most. Now let's get into torque. These new impact wrenches, one from the LXT line and the other from the XGT, feel like Makita finally answered what the old 1002 just couldn't quite get right. That older one had plenty of power, sure, but when it came to controlled output, especially on sensitive jobs, it just didn't have the finesse. With these updated versions, you're getting a long anvil and a 3/4-inch square drive, which makes them right at home in heavy mechanical work, utility maintenance, or even trailer servicing where seized bolts are the norm. The LXT model pushes 1,360 Nm of fastening torque and 1,700 Nm for busting loose. Meanwhile, the XGT version goes even harder, 1,500 Nm for fastening and 1,900 Nm for breakaway. That's a clear step up from the 1002, which topped out at 1,000 and 1,400. Also, Now you can dial in just the right amount without second guessing. You can ease off when tightening delicate fittings, or push it to full strength when you're dealing with corroded hardware. Lighting also gets an upgrade. 2 LEDs with pre-glow and afterglow, which helps a lot under vehicles. The trigger feels sharper, balance is better, and the top heaviness we felt on the 1001 and 1002 is gone. This time, control isn't an afterthought, it's built right in. So, that's all about the new Makita tools. It looks like they're gearing up to bring even more innovation your way. To be the first to know about them, make sure to subscribe to our channel, because whenever a new tool hits the market, we bring it straight to you. Now, let us know in the comments what Makita tools you're currently using, what you're skipping, and what you think Makita should work on next.